Okay, hi, my name is Chris. I just attended a 2-day Jolly Phonics training with Khushbu. It was excellent. I learned so much in these 2 days. I just can't believe how much I learned. And I just would like to thank everyone here at September 21. And I think I am going to really be able to apply this in the classroom and really help my students learn through the Jolly Phonics method. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Jesse. I've just taken the Jolly Phonics workshop with Khushbu. I had a very good time and I learned a lot about things that I didn't know about at first, and also a bit of a refresher of things that I learned before but had forgotten about. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vibha. I'm basically a maths teacher and I've got no idea about phonics, especially about Jolly Phonics. But mainly I just came here because one of my aunt told that Khushbu Porwal, she's really training up very well and she's given a very detailed explanation, giving attention towards each and every student. So where we could enhance much of knowledge, and it's really passionate to learn. Thank you.
My name is Mansi. By profession, I'm a teacher, so I knew some facts about phonics, but by attending Khushbu's workshop on Jolly Phonics, I really enhanced my knowledge and I got to know many new things. And a very big thank you to Khushbu, who really explained us in details, and it was really a fun workshop. Thank you so much.